Hey there everyone, welcome to another video on investing in stocks. Hope you all had a fantastic week. Maybe not in the stock market, maybe something else could happen to you. Hope it did anyways. So I used this correction to change my portfolio a little bit. Because when the stock market goes down, right, all the stocks go down. The ones you like and the ones you don't like. And sometimes, I have a big portfolio and there are some stocks that I believe in more than the others. And I'm trying to consolidate my portfolio. And what happened was some of the bad stocks that I don't like, they went down maybe 20%. So why should I sell? Well, some of the really good stocks also went down 20%, which means it's a better deal if Amazon goes down 20% than if some ETFs went down 20%. So I sold 155 shares of QQQC for $22. That's a total of $3,346. Ka-ching! I sold my entire position in bots, 118 shares for $19.60. That's a total of $2,316. And then I also added about $800 in cash for a grand total of $6,462. Now, so for this money, I bought one share of Amazon for a total of 5 at $7.22. I bought 15 shares of Alibaba for a total of 44 at $148. I bought 23 shares of Waste Management at $85 for a total of 23. And then I bought 6 shares of Boeing, the Boeing company, at $363, sorry. And other than this, for the coming weeks, if something happens, I'm most closely watching Lockheed Martin, Alibaba, Boeing, Waste Management, and Take-Two Interactive. So I sold off my ETFs. I don't want to own any ETFs anymore. I want to decide where my money goes, and these companies are way better than any ETFs, and they almost never go down. Stocks like Amazon, Waste Management, and Boeing, they almost never take a break. So when they do go down, they are bargains, much more so than if, let's say, QQQC goes down 25%. So those are my moves. Let me know what you guys have bought and sold. I'm very curious. I'm not a trader. These are just some long-term moves that I wanted to make, and this was the good opportunity. I'll make a video soon about some other stuff, so see you guys next time.